In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneDrive group. This simple and straightforward guide will help you set up a space where you and your team can collaborate and share files effortlessly. So, let's get started. First, you need to log into your Microsoft account. This is your entry point to all the resources and functionalities that Microsoft has to offer. So head over to the login page and enter your credentials to gain access to your account. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the App Launcher. This handy tool provides quick access to the various Microsoft applications you have at your disposal. Look for OneDrive in the list of apps and select it. After OneDrive opens, your next step is to create or upload. At the top of the page you will find an option labelled Create or Upload. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu where you will then choose Folder. Now you'll need to name your group folder. Be sure to pick a name that's descriptive and relevant to your group's purpose, as it will help keep everyone organised. Once you've decided on a name, proceed by clicking Create. Now you'll want to navigate to My Files in OneDrive. Here you should see the new folder you've just created. Go ahead and select your group folder by clicking on it. With the folder opened, you're ready to begin sharing. Click the Share button to enter the details of who you'd like to share the folder with. Enter your group's email address in the provided field. It's important to ensure accuracy here, as this is where your collaboration partners will receive their invitations. After entering the email, you'll see a pencil icon next to it. Click on this to modify permissions. Choose Can Edit to allow group members to make changes within the folder, then adjust the settings to anyone with the link Can Edit to enable broad access. Once you've set the permissions, click Apply to finalize these changes. Now you're ready to share the link to your group. You can do this by clicking on Copy Link, which will generate a shareable URL. Distribute this link among your group members, or simply click Send to dispatch an invitation via email directly from OneDrive. Congratulations, you've successfully created and shared a OneDrive group folder. Now all members of your team can collaborate seamlessly, accessing and editing files as needed. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope it makes your file sharing experiences more efficient and organized. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.